Liz says that Kim always says no. I'm getting from the tone of her text message here that she probably has a pretty negative attitude about asking Kim to join her again. I mean, I hope she reaches out once more like her mom suggests. Oh, hey, here we go. All right, let's see what Kim says. Gee, Kim said no again. Maybe she doesn't like Liz? I mean, Kim is new to the neighborhood. She hasn't really had time to get to know anyone yet. Notice how direct she's being right now. She doesn't say, what time are you going? Or, oh, maybe not today, maybe some other time. No, she just says, no thanks. I've got stuff to do. Ouch. Okay, let's take a step back. Let's take a step back and look at this conversation right now. Liz is clearly coming from a point of view where she's trying to convince Kim that she'll have a good time at the park, right? And her tone in her text messages conveys that point of view. Her texts express that she has fun at the park, that she could come and go as she pleases. It could be kind of a spur of the moment thing, you know, like a carefree day. And her word choice supports that point of view, as well as her personal experiences. And now let's look at Kim's text. Good for you. I know that those words seem kind of encouraging on the surface, but what do you think she's really implying here? Good for you. I can't go. So while it may be easy for Liz to have a fun, carefree day at the park, I don't think Kim believes that. It's almost like she's saying, well, maybe that's your opinion, but it's not my opinion. I can get all that information just by reading the tone of these girls' text messages. And notice, she's not even saying anything like, oh, I don't know, maybe if I have a spare moment tomorrow, I'll show up. That would have at least made Liz feel better and not make it seem like Kim is totally dissing her right now. But Kim just said no. It's pretty clear to me at this point that Liz has her point of view and that Kim has hers. But I just don't know why they differ so much. Ooh, it looks like Liz is responding to Kim's last message. Let's see what she says. Okay, wow, that took a lot of guts for Liz to just confront Kim like that. It's clear that she just wants to know the truth already. Liz got from Kim's texts that she's disinterested and that she wants nothing to do with Liz or her friends. And judging by this text that Liz just sent, it seems like she's hurt by that. I wonder what Kim's gonna say. Ooh, okay, interesting. That's interesting. Whoa! Wow! Now I totally get it. I'm understanding why Kim's text messages were like that. If you put yourself in Kim's shoes, you can see her point of view coming through all these short, few text messages. She can't just pick up and go, and that's frustrating for her. Oh, now Liz has an idea. Wow. I'd say that's a great solution. This short little text conversation shows us why it's important to pay attention to the writer's point of view or attitude whenever you're reading something they wrote. It helps you figure out their intention or what they wanted to get across to the reader by word choice. Oh, wait, this is texting her mom again. Let's see what she says. Well, thanks for joining me today. You will be learning a lot more about understanding an author's point of view through your assigned reading and online practice sets. Till next time.